Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the Filesynced application to your Android TV box or Google TV, basically any Android device or any TV device that runs on an Android operating system. If you find the video helpful, please do well to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So to install the Filesynced application, what you have to do is to go over to your download application. And if you don't have the download application on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link I've attached that is going to help you get the download application. After installing downloader, all you got to do is just to launch the application and type in this code 13792. So type in this code and you go ahead and launch 13792 and you launch. Once you launch the code, it is going to bring you or redirect you to the installation page of the Filesynced application. Just give it a couple of seconds and the application will start installing to your Android TV. Once the application is done downloading or the APK is done downloading, you'll be given the option to install the application to your Android TV, which is quite simple. Once you're done installing it, delete the package file from your Android TV and then you can go ahead and start using the Filesynced application without any issues. And that's how to download or install the Filesynced application to your Android TV using a downloader code 13792. If you found the video helpful, please like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.